chocolate, milk chocolate. You can actually pick any chocolate you want. And then last off, graham crackers or any crackers you like. So this is our air fryer right now. We're using aluminum foil instead of a baking sheet because we do not have baking sheets. We forgot those. But anyways, here's the marshmallows. Wait. So this is what it looks like. Oh wow. Okay, we're gonna put the chocolate in now. Oh, that sounds really good. Now let's put it back. Oh, okay. Let's put it right now. Ooh. Let's try it. This is really unreal. Yes. Because they love marshmallow and chocolate. Right. Mom, come try these s'mores I made.
Cardo, the dinner's ready. What?
Pahingi kami. Una muna. Taman just. Pero anong tikman mo?
So, I will try the s'mores. Oh. Why did you?
He doesn't like sweets, guys.
Wala kang baking and chips. For yun ang ginamit namin.
Okay, guys.
Oh my God. Bigyan ko si Dad at ayaw niyang lumapit. Oh my God. Ayaw niya lumapit eh.
He loves his.
Oh my gosh.
It's in North America where traditionally we're supposed to roast it over open fire, but we don't really have that here, so we just air fry the stuff. So
Yeah, because
there
we're in
you go.
Canada.
Even not in Canada, uray niya nga lugar, agar aramid na kasta.
Anyways, that's it for the video, guys. Bye.